Navy crew injured by blast on board of Chilean amphibious assault ship. Blast and following fire injured 3 crew of Chilean amphibious assault ship LSDH 91 Sargento Aldea in the morning August 29 off Talcahuano Navy Base, Concepcion, Chile. According to official statement, 3 injured crew were carrying out maintenance works on oxygen system of ship's medical unit. They suffered burns, and were transferred to Talcahuano Navy Base by helicopter. Navy Command said that the ship didn't sustain damages and continues her activities. Chilean Navy amphibious assault ship LSDH 91 Sargento Aldea, displacement 12,000, armament missiles, guns, helicopters, complement 224. Built in France, commissioned in 1990 as French Navy FOUDRE, acquired by Chile in 2011 as Sargento Aldea.